This is our first time to Brecon, yeah. This is our second day here and we've done Penny Fan.
This is my first time. I've never been here before.
Yeah, but not for me because I've been here ages ago.
Well, we walked over the top. It took us about an hour and a bit, which wasn't bad for 70-year-olds.
We're doing a drive from Aberystwyth to Cardiff and we thought this would be a really nice spot to stop. It's much better than a motorway services.
Just walked up Penny Fan and then when we got to the top, we turned around and walked back down.
Yeah, we were going to stop in Merthyr.
Yeah.
So
This
looks a better option.
Yeah.
Well, it's 886 metres tall. It's the highest peak in South Wales.
We come on holiday over this sort of part of the country every year and just driving around the Brecons, and we found it by accident a few years ago, so we've come back every year if we've had nice weather.
Well, what's so great about it is about half an hour from my mum's house, so I can come here, have a bit of a walk and go home and have a nice dinner and shower and watch some TV, basically.
A mini Snowdonia.
Oh.
Well, that's what I think. Yes. Well, what do you think they should? No, I didn't say it was.
No. It wasn't too hard a walk, it was quite a gentle walk in a way.
The point is, it's far more user-friendly than Snowdonia.
And much prettier.
Scotland.
Much prettier.
Beautiful views. Lots of sheep.
It was fantastic. It was a beautiful day. We are lucky with the weather. We are coming from Germany and we've never seen something like that. Especially on the top of the hill, it was very impressive for us.
You know, the views have been really good.
Views are great.
Good views.
Wonderful views.
Wonderful views,
Yeah.
all the rest of it, yeah. Very well maintained path, you know, for a mountain path.
The path's been well maintained and we saw some red kites.
The views are fantastic, they really are. The dogs love it. We got plenty of freedom of walk. They can go splashing in the streams. It's a really nice place to go.
The view from the top is quite outstanding, and I'm not just saying that because it's on camera. It is fabulous.
Well, I think it's great. I love the area. Beautiful.
It's really peaceful and just it's lovely to be out in nature and with the wildlife, really.
Lovely day out.
That's a real sense of achievement because I never thought I'd get to the top. So
No, you can gather your senses at the top, and it's great. And the people are pretty friendly as well, I have to say, around here.
You know, keep up the good work. There's no litter here. There's no, ugliness. It's all very natural and pleasant. I just say don't change too much and you'll be fine.
Back down and tired now. Putting my feet in the lake, in the stream now.
I've just come from the top of Penny Fan, had a brilliant time, absolutely beautiful day, and well, I've finished now, so I'm just going to have myself a nice ice cream.